you cannot use force against the police, or insult, or threaten the police. You are threatening our nation. Because these are our frontline defenders of our rights as Kenyans and of the right of this nation to be peaceful and to be secure. So, ladies and gentlemen of the police force who are here today, of the police service who are here today, I want to give you my assurance that as you secure this nation is going to make sure that you are also safe and your families are safe. What we are celebrating today, is a momentous occasion that, apart from the difficult job you have of securing our nation, you have also won the Premier League. What an achievement. Apart from all the difficult things you have to do, you have also found time to play good football. And you have won the Premier League because of discipline, because of commitment, because of the leadership that you have, and because of the commitment you have to this nation. Congratulations. And you have not just won the Premier League, you have even won the Women League. Sasa si nyinyi ni watu wa maana sana kwa hii dunia jamani. Mimi nasema pongezi. Pongezi sana. And you are actually telling the nation that we not only have a professional police service that discharges its duty, responsibility, mandate as is required of them by the Constitution, but you are also committed citizens and patriotic Kenyans who also contribute in other things, including sports. So because of the tremendous achievements you have achieved, the police bullets won last year and this year. Maybe next year, who knows? Yeah, and for the first time, the Kenya Police FC have won the Premier League. Yeah, I want to say congratulations. And please, do it again next year. You promise to do it again next year? Yeah? You'll do it again next year? Yes, do it again next year. And because I want you to do it again next year, your patron and the deputy patron have asked me that there are some gaps in the sponsorship. Kuna, gaps here and there. So I'm going to talk to friends, and I must first congratulate Wananchi. Wananchi credit. Thank you very much for supporting these good people. Betika, congratulations and thank you very much for supporting our police teams. And DTB Bank, thank you very much for supporting this great team. So, as a Kenyan, I am going to look for some friends also to support this team. I know you have requested me that there are some gaps, and they have told me there is a gap of about 50 million shillings every year. Yeah? So I'm going to look for friends who will close that 50 million gap. Right? So nikifunga hiyo 50 million gap, nyinyi mufunge pia bao ya next year mkwe. Ama ni aje? Is it a deal? Yeah, very good. So nitatafuta marafiki. I know many of these friends. I have some good friends. And I want to ask companies, philanthropic organizations to come forward and support the talents of the young people of Kenya. In all the sports that we have many companies through CSR and all other things that they can support our teams. I am asking them to step forward because with just a little support, you can see what a team like the Kenya Police Bullets, formed in 2023, just the other day, 2 years. Now they are the champions because they got some push. So if we can support more of the teams, whether they are the community teams or the regional teams and all the others, we can energize the sports area and support our talents going forward. Number two, we will improve your facility at South Sea, your stadium at South Sea. Salim, you know what to do. I know you are doing something. Lakini sukuma, you know, we must make them proud. Sawa sawa. And then finally, I will discuss with your patron where I will find some friends who will plug in, and then we will support your team better. And finally, I know you have come to see me this morning. I will make sure that itakuwa namna hiyo. Sitaki kusema sana. Na sitaki kutakiwa mahali fulani. Lakini nitawapanga vizuri. Si ndio? At least so that you can do a small celebration. Si ndio? Otherwise, my very best wishes to you in your sports talents, you know, as footballers, as sportsmen, nawatakia heri, develop your careers. We will see how to support you, to provide more facilities for training, to support you in making sure that you have the right infrastructure to develop your talents and make this nation great. And as you succeed, and it's my prayer that you do succeed, with your success is the success of Kenya, and it's our collective success. To the board and managers, I know you spend time. It is not a paying job. You people are making sacrifices. Continue to do that. Asante sana. And we really, really appreciate the fact that you step forward to support this team. And also to my good friend Nyale, thank you very much for giving your time and continue harassing people. You know, there was continue to talk to people so that they can support this team. I had also been told that you want a bus so that you can move around, especially in your, so we will get you a good bus. I will get you a very good bus. Tutatengeneza bus mzuri. So wabe mtu yangu ya mkono hapo, comptroller yuko hapa, lakini sasa wewe Raymond utafuatana na huyu comptroller, muende mtengeneze bus mzuri. Alafu we hand over to these people. Wawe wanazunguka naye na wanafanya hiyo kazi. So I must confess that when Raymond told me that the Kenya Police have won the Premier League, so I was asking him, which one? You know? Where was Gor Mahia? and the FC walikuwa wapi? You know? Or is it another one yenye imeanzishwa yenye iko kado? Ni hiyo. And so when he told me, no, ile Premier League tu hiyo, watu yote walikuwa huko ndani na tukawakaranga. Alafu nikafikiria, ama nyinyi wakati mko kwa kiwanja mnaambia hawa watu, mkitushinda mtatupata hapo mbele. Tunaweza kuweka kwa pingu. Lakini Mburia confirms that you won squarely and fairly. There was no intimidation. It was just fair game. So otherwise, asante sana. I wish you well. Congratulations. My very best wishes. Mungu abariki.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. A round of applause for His Excellency one more time. As we take our seats, Your Excellency, before you exit, there was a gift that let's take our seats, please. There was a gift that was prepared for you. So allow me to invite the patron the chair and CS Mvuria to present the gift. Yes, you may. There is a ball and a jersey. I don't know, Your Excellency, if they want you to join the team and possibly be playing number 9 striker. CEO, you can also join in the picture, kindly. CEO to also join in that picture. The 2 captains. And the jersey. Maybe we also have the board. If we can have the board to also just take a picture with His Excellency, together with the patron, CEO and chair, CS as well, the board.